A few months ago, making one YouTube video used to take me an entire day. Writing a good hook for the script took 30 minutes. Writing a title took 1 hour. Coming up with a thumbnail idea took even more time. And after publishing the video, I still felt like I could have done better. I tried many AI tools, but most of the time the results felt generic. It felt like the AI was following a template, not actually making my video. Then a few months ago, I found a tool from Google, and honestly, it completely changed my entire workflow. In this video, I am going to show you what it is, how I use it, and whether it can actually help you. So, what is Google AI Studio? First, let me clear up some confusion. A lot of people think Google AI Studio is the same as Gemini, but that is not exactly true. Gemini is the AI model. Think of it as the brain. Google AI Studio is the platform where you use that brain for your own specific work. Let me give you a simple example. If Gemini is the engine, then Google AI Studio is the entire car, and the steering wheel's in your hands. Here, you do not just have a chat with AI, you can give it specific instructions, you can give it long documents to read, you can make it analyze PDFs, you can make it understand images. And the biggest advantage for creators is this: you can make the AI work consistently in your own style. Once you set up the right instructions, you do not have to explain everything from scratch every single time. How I actually use it. Let me make one thing very clear here. I never tell the AI, write me a script, because when you say that, what the AI gives you feels like a textbook. No personality, no emotion. Instead, I use AI as my thinking partner. That means the idea is mine, the experience is mine, the voice is mine. The AI just helps me make it sharper. Here's my actual process. First, I write down the video idea myself. Then I ask the AI what might be missing from this idea. Where might the viewer get bored? The AI gives me a perspective. Then I ask it to generate 20 title options. From those, I personally picked 3. Then I ask the AI, out of these 3 titles, which one will create the most curiosity and why? I read that reasoning and then make my final decision myself. Then I work on the hook. I ask the AI, will the first 5 seconds of this hook actually stop someone from scrolling? If not, why not? This way the AI becomes my reviewer before the script is even published. I waste less time, and the results are better. Now let me talk about thumbnails. For thumbnails, I ask the AI one specific question that most creators never think to ask. I ask what kind of person will not click on this thumbnail and why. Most creators only want to know what looks good, but knowing what looks bad is actually more important. Because if the wrong audience clicks your video, your retention drops. And when retention drops, the algorithm stops pushing your video. The AI can do this analysis very quickly. What does the color say? Where should the text be? Where is the emotional trigger missing? I take all that feedback and then finalize the thumbnail. Now let me talk about research. This is honestly my favorite way to use this tool. Before, researching one topic meant opening 10 websites and reading for hours. Now I first get a quick overview from the AI, then I ask, what is the most common misconception about this topic? Then I ask, what is the strongest argument against this idea? Then I ask, give me an example that most people do not know about. This way I find a unique angle for my video. Then I verify those facts myself. I check whether what the AI told me is actually true. Then I write the script using that verified information. With this process, research that used to take 3 hours now takes 45 minutes, and the content becomes much more specific. But here is something very important. A lot of creators are making one big mistake right now. They are taking whatever the AI writes and just copy-pasting it directly. Never do that. The reason is simple. The AI does not know who you are. It does not know about your 3 years on YouTube. It does not know which mistakes hurt you the most. It does not know why your audience follows you. These are the things that make content feel real. AI can give you structure, but what keeps viewers watching is your story. AI can give you ideas, but what viewers connect with is your experience. AI can make you faster, but it cannot take your place. Now let me show you my complete workflow. A video idea comes to my mind. I open Google AI Studio. I use the AI to find the gaps in my idea. I generate titles with AI and then select myself. I write the hook myself and then ask AI to review it. Before, this entire process used to take 4 to 5 hours. Now it takes less than half that time. If you want to try Google AI Studio, I have left the link in the description. It is completely free. Just one thing I want you to remember, do not use it as a shortcut, use it as a tool. AI will make your work easier, but it will not do your work for you. If you keep that difference in mind, this tool can make your YouTube journey a lot faster. See you in the next video.